If I could only give you one money rule to follow for the rest of your life, this would be it. Because the truth is simple. Rich people don't just earn money. They own things. Look at the wealthiest people in the world. Most of them are business owners. Many are investors. Some inherited assets. A few built fortunes from rare skills. But almost none of them rely only on a salary. The common thread? Ownership. Entrepreneurs own companies. Investors own assets. Heirs own equity and trusts. Top performers own valuable skills. If you don't own something, you're usually trading time for money. And time runs out. So how do you start thinking and acting like the top 1%? You follow a simple structure, the 251551010 rule. It works whether you make $2,000 a month or $20,000 a month. Because building wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how you divide what you earn. 25% growth. Pay your future first. The first 25% of your income goes toward growth. Not manifestation growth. Not motivational quotes. Real growth. This is money that buys assets, things that increase in value or generate income while you sleep. Here's what most people do. They get paid, pay bills, spend the rest. Here's what wealthy people do. They get paid, invest first, live on what's left. That 25% might go into index funds, retirement accounts, real estate, or REITs. Building a high-income skill. Starting a business. And if you think, I don't have enough to invest, understand this. Starting early beats starting big. Someone who invests a small amount at 20 will often end up with far more than someone who invests double the amount but waits until 30. That's compound growth. Time is more powerful than effort. Automate it. On payday, that 25% leaves your account before you even see it. No debating. No emotions. No excuses. Let your money start working as hard as you do. 15% stability. Stay in the game. Next, 15% goes to stability. This is your safety net. Because here's what destroys most people financially. Not bad investing. Not low income. One unexpected problem. Car breaks down. Medical bill. Job loss. Without savings, you go into debt. Or worse, you sell your investments at the worst time. Your goal: save 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Keep it easy to access. Zero risk. Earning modest interest. This isn't growth money. It's protection money. Think of it like armor. You hope you don't need it, but when life hits, you'll be untouchable. 50% essentials. Control lifestyle creep. Now we get to the part most people mess up. 50% for essentials. Housing. Groceries. Utilities. Transport. Insurance. Not designer upgrades. Not 5 streaming services. Not subscriptions you forgot about. Here's the reality. People making 6 figures still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because as income rises, lifestyle rises faster. Control your 2 biggest expenses. Housing. Negotiate rent. Don't upgrade too fast. Consider roommates if needed. Transport. A reliable used car beats a flashy financed one that drains your future. Wealth is invisible. It's the money you don't see being spent. Before buying something, ask, is this impulse? Will I still want it in 7 days? Am I paying for value, or just the brand? Does this actually improve my life? If not, skip it. Not because you're cheap, Because you're focused. 10%. Enjoy it, yes, seriously. Last 10%? Enjoy it. This is where most disciplined savers fail. They cut everything fun out of their life, then burn out and overspend. This 10% is guilt-free. Travel. Hobbies. Experiences. Dinner with friends. Meaningful gifts. Open a separate fun account if you have to. Automate the transfer. When it's empty, you wait. Boundaries make enjoyment sustainable. And here's something important. Memories compound too. Experiences last longer than things. The big picture. 25%. Build wealth. 15%. Protect wealth. 50%. Live below your means. 10%. Enjoy the journey. Do this consistently for years, and your entire financial life changes. You stop living paycheck to paycheck. You stop panicking over bills. You stop trading every hour for survival. Instead, you start owning assets. You start building leverage. You start building freedom. Not overnight, but inevitably. And the best part? You can start with your very next paycheck.